Ladies and gentlemen, I need some cheering on. Is everyone ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! Swallow those. That's crazy. Maybe the girl from Bytown was a good idea. The contest is over because this gentleman over here at the end literally just ate 12 Zeppoles in 1 minute and 2 seconds. That is crazy. I think you almost didn't even make the contest. You're Will, right? Ladies and gentlemen, Will from Brooklyn is amazing. Like literally all that's left is some powdered sugar. That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. All of you guys had no chance of winning. Not even our winner from last year. It was crazy. Like 4 done. He was like 8, and he got like 8 done. But he just like scarfed those down like they were like he didn't have to. Most of the you ate. Rested, you starved yourself all day for this. Alright, well, we gotta take some pictures and stuff. I need to thank all my contestants. You guys get to keep the Zeppoles as your runner-up prize. Alright, we're gonna start counting with me here. You ready? Hold that hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, really? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Long Island Dubstep. I got a bunch of National Music movie passes for you. You can see any movie you want at National Music. And if that wasn't enough food, there's more in your future because I got a lobster dinner for 2 from the beach hut for you right here. Look at that. That's a really good prize. We're going to take some pictures with you. We have more Zeppoles that we're going to do here as an additional prize. And then one of my friends running up in a minute and 2 seconds. What do you have to say for that? That was outstanding.
I'm ready for a sausage.
Sausage? Can you get the man a free sausage? A sausage lady! She's on the phone. Let's see if we can go. So congratulations. Thanks for participating. Thanks for listening to 94.3 WMJC.